Hey, this is Brad from Ready to Send. Ready to Send is a Gmail app that automatically generates responses for your emails. But it can also be used to generate new emails. So in this video, I'm going to show you how Ready to Send can help you write. So to get started, I'm going to click on the Compose button to start a new message. And without specifying the recipient or the subject, I can jump right down here to this icon for Ready to Send, and this will open a window. Now, this is available on all the Gmail apps, whether you're writing on mobile or tablet or whatever. I'm just going to show you this on desktop. So because I haven't specified any recipient or subject, I can describe any email that I just want it to generate. And this is useful for templates, longer emails, memos, sales, marketing, any kind of larger email that doesn't really have a specific recipient in mind. For this, I'm going to do a company-wide memo celebrating successful 2023. So fairly generic. There are more options here if I want to specify the length that it's going to generate, the sentiment, the tone, etc. But I'm just going to go ahead and insert reply and see what it comes up with. So the window will close as soon as the text is ready, and I can look through the email here with what it's come up with. And of course, I can make any kind of edits or tweaks as I see fit. But in general, this is a fairly detailed email that touches on everything that I'd want to. And I really like some of these touches as we move forward into 2024. Some really great positive things in here. So another example is if we had somebody in mind who we're going to contact. So I'm going to reach out to Craig, and the subject is going to be a follow-up on Q3 sales goals. And because I've specified the recipient and the subject, Ready to Send is able to search for previous emails sent to this recipient, just to kind of gauge what we've talked about previously, any kind of relevant writing tone that may be good for this email. I'm going to click on the Ready to Send icon in the corner. I could add some additional emails if there's something I wanted to touch on, but because I've already said the subject, follow up on Q3 sales goals, that's about it. I'm going to keep this one short, positive, and casual, and see what it comes up with. And this is great for touching base, but let's say I wanted to schedule a meeting with Craig, and to do that, I want to share my calendar link with him. Now there's a really cool way that you can do this with Ready to Send. First, I'm going to delete this message. I'm going to jump into the Ready to Send sidebar, which has access to all of your information about Ready to Send and your settings. Here, I'm going to go to Edit My Custom Instructions. So if you've watched any of the other videos, custom instructions kind of allow you to provide some background information about yourself or your business, and it'll help shape the tone and content of the emails that Ready to Send generates. And we put together this free tool called the Custom Instructions Generator to help you get an idea of what kind of information might be relevant. And this includes stuff like your profession, your company, your location and hobbies. One of these things is your calendar scheduling link, which can be quite handy. So if I wanted to say, this is my link. If we scroll down to the bottom here, we have some other options, but it'll generate the text that I can copy and paste here into my Ready to Send settings. So I'll save that, and these custom instructions will be applied to any future email. So if I go back here and I want to generate this email again, I'll click down here on the Ready to Send icon. I don't need to provide any additional instructions. I'm just going to insert the response. And because this is a follow-up, kind of a meeting request, so you can see this is a bit more detailed, and here it is here. Scheduling link to choose a time slot that works best for you. And that sounds perfect. So I could go ahead and send that. And that's just a few ways you can use Ready to Send to help you write new emails, save you a lot of time. Thank you.